Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, now biometric has been started in India. A lot of people are talking about it. Definitely this is a very hot topic now for Canada visa applicants. So in this video I'm gonna walk you through the process of booking, as well as I'm also gonna show you the email that people have got. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please gonna subscribe right now, because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. This is your own channel. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, this is the email. Like, I have taken the content of the email and put in this Word file, because this was received by one of my subscribers, and I really thank him for sharing this with me so that I can share it with you guys. So he has removed his confidential details, and that you should do always. So it came from this account, date, biometric appointment instruction letter was the subject line, date, email address, application number, UCI dear, and his name was there, I mean the applicant name. It says scheduling a biometric appointment. You are receiving this email because IRCC has sent you a biometric instruction letter that was sent to him earlier. VSCs across India are now offering limited biometric appointments as of November 20th for clients who meet the following criteria. They have received a unique BIL letter directly from IRCC and have applied to IRC as part of family class or as a student. So basically in their tweet they already said that applicants under these two categories are going to be prioritized, and this is what they are saying here. Please note that if you received a BIL but did not apply as part of these categories, please remain patient, because this is going to be rolled out in phases. If you received BIL, even if it is older than 30 days, you may fill out the web form using the email option on the VFS website to schedule your biometric appointment. So this is an answer to a lot of people, those who say that it's already expired. Appointment slots are limited and in very high demand, and only available Monday to Friday. Be able to offer your preferred date and time. Thank you for your flexibility. I understand the situation. Okay, and please make every effort to attend the confirmed appointment. Missed appointments will not be rescheduled. I can understand too much of a rush. You must print your BL, the original biometric instruction letter, and bring it to your confirmed appointment along with your passport. And if you don't do that, you can be turned away. Without a scheduled appointment or appointment but do not meet the criteria listed above, will be turned away. Okay, so be careful. And after it's been enrolled, you will be handed back your passport. If you later receive a passport request form, okay, that is different. 3 steps. Fill out this web form to schedule, and once you schedule it, you will receive a confirmation mail about your appointment. You print the consent form attached to your with the appointment, so you need to fill up the consent form also. And they are getting higher than normal request, we understand, because it has been so long. Biometric appointments are free, do not pay anyone. So they have also clarified a scope for scammers that they can utilize to scam you. So to make sure the email actually comes from this address, not must, and then process from there. And this is the final email address. Alright, now we'll go through step 1. Alright, I'll open this link for you. So this is how this link opens. Here you have online option, view more, click here to schedule the appointment. So this takes you to the COVID-19 updates. This is on VFS site, and here you have another link, schedule an appointment here. So here you have the web form. This is what you have to click. Now select where you want to schedule. Let's say Bangalore, number of applicants 2, so they have 2 number. If you have 1, just put the application number, confirm, and then from here you're going to proceed. I'll show you how it looks like in the next stage, but because I don't have any application number, this is your application number, so I cannot go over there. I'm going to show you now. This was again shared with me by the same subscriber, so thanks again for sharing this valuable piece of information. So and then finally you have to submit after you fill it up and acknowledge the terms condition and click on submit. So this is really going to help a lot of you people, so I wish you all the best for the process. And if you come across any question, please feel free to ask. And here is where we are going to upload your biometric instruction letter. Thanks for now, guys.